Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Paint stripper from Parkside, the model PLF 720A1. It is a new product for the quick and clean removal of paint or varnish from flat wooden surfaces. Power consumption 720 watts, no load rotation 10,000 RPM, cutting edge flight radius 80 mm. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. New case from Parkside. We have the manual and the tool. With a cable length 3 meters, very convenient. Suction adapter, you can install that here. And it locks, connect your vacuum. Here we have the Allen key and the ball and Allen key. You can store it here at this position. The front handle, install that here. Soft elements. It is quite heavy because it has this area, it is all over metal. Here it is, the blade head is rotating. We have the removal depth adjustment here. It is from 0 to 0.3 millimeter. We have the two reversible blades and fixing screw. So to adjust the milling depth, you need to use this key, Allen key. But somehow you need to lock that. So there it is, the locking knob. Press. Is lock it. And then you can adjust maximum 3. We can see here it has this mark. It will help to adjust. Press again. It locks and adjusts from 0, very tight, to 0.3. Or we can just remove this huge nut. If you want to remove all the head, we have another 2 screws here. Loosen the screws and remove the head. Now, if you want to remove the 2 blades, use this key and again lock. There it is, remove it. And I'm sure we have replacements here. Yep, 4. I like that. So total you have 6 blades. Let's install again the blade. Lock. Perfect. And add the blades. We have numbers 1, 2, 3. The number 1, it is at the outside of the tool, same in here. Left and right and at the front we have the protective covers. the surface. Let's install this huge bolt. It is for the milling depth. Lock, and I will adjust that 0.2, and later I will show you how you can use this tool in a few minutes. We have the on-off switch and the switch lock. Press the safety switch and then you can press the on-off switch. It doesn't work continuously. Very robust tool, new tool, so definitely I would like to see how it's working, how it's performing in real conditions. Let's move on and test it. And that wraps up our look at the Parkside paint stripper. If you are tired of messy chemical strippers or endless sanding, this tool offers a remarkably clean and efficient alternative. With its powerful 720 watts motor and precise cutting action, it quickly removes all paint layers without excessive dust, especially when hooked up to a dust extraction system. It's perfect for detailed work on door frames, window sills or furniture, giving you a smooth surface ready for refinishing. If you are looking to tackle paint stripping projects with speed and precision, this paint stripper is a solid, budget-friendly option from Parkside. What's the biggest paint stripping challenge you are facing right now? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more practical DIY tool reviews, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy stripping!